happening, Chefettes?
What's up, YouTube?
We are back!
Back with another video, baby! Ooh, yes. Woo, guys, I'm excited for today.
Me too.
We are making something exotic.
Something banging.
Different.
Delicious, guys.
Guys, it's our first time trying this recipe. We hope you guys enjoy it. But first, if you're new here,
welcome.
Welcome. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe right away because you're gonna love it.
Absolutely.
We're the funniest cooking channel on YouTube. Don't you agree?
Of course.
Guys,
You're gonna agree too.
Yes. And to our returning subscribers, welcome back. Guys, so you want to tell them what we're making today? Don't mess it up because I know it's different, it's exotic, it's unique. Get it right.
First of all, for our new subscribers, you do not need to play me like that.
I'm sure if they watch a couple of our old videos, they'll see.
They'll see the amount of disrespect. First of
Let
all,
me get a drum roll.
Right. So today, guys, we are going to make spicy, smackalicious ranch wings, guys.
Woo! Guys, it's made with chicken, just in case, she forgot to say chicken,
Chicken wings.
Guys, that's right, you heard it. Was a tongue twister? Repeat it one more time. Nice and slow for them.
We're going to make some spicy, smackalicious ranch chicken wings.
Woo! I'm excited. You're excited.
I'm excited.
She's excited. So it's about to go down.
Ready to make our delicious, spicy, smackalicious ranch chicken wings. Are you guys ready?
Woo! We are excited.
I'm so excited because it's gonna go down.
Man.
But first things first, guys.
Hold on. You know when B Love see this, her mouth is gonna be watering.
She's gonna be like,
I think B Love is gonna hit us up for the recipe.
She probably might. Girl, when you see this, call us. All right.
Heard.
So I'm going to tell you all the ingredients you're going to need to make this dish. And you're going to be like, what? That's all I need? Yes. Pay attention. You cannot make smackalicious wings without smackalicious.
Ooh, spicy.
Spicy, smackalicious mix, right? Okay.
Yeah, we got those half price. They were on sale. So we bought about 6 of them.
Right. Now, guys. This recipe is spicy. If you don't like spicy, there's a mild one. Get you the mild one. But this is a spicy dish right here. So we got our spicy smackalicious mix.
Yeah.
We got some cornstarch.
Yeah.
We got some flour.
Yeah, some powdered ranch.
We got main ingredients, chicken wings. We got about 10 chicken wings here, guys. And you're gonna need some oil. We got some vegetable oil for some frying. And that's it, guys. That's all you need.
Chefs and chefettes, I could taste it already. These spicy ranch smackalicious wings are gonna be amazing. Guys, did you guys check out our last smackalicious video? I'm gonna put the link in the description. Maybe I'll put it up here. But we had like a mukbang with the seafood. It was banging. Anyway, so we get a little carried away.
That was a boil.
It was a seafood boil, but it was a mukbang. Because we ate the food on camera. So we washed our chicken wings. Got about 10 wings here. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of Smackalicious sauce to season the wings. Guys, you don't need to add nothing else. This has everything in it. Don't even add salt. Trust me. Maybe a pinch if you want. you can probably do a pinch. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do a pinch on camera so y'all can see our little fancy salt shaker. Got a new one.
So we have a salt and pepper shaker. It's a combo. Oh, we fancy, huh?
Woo! I'm telling you, you can smell it. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do 1.5. 1.5 tablespoons.
You see that rich color, guys? I'm gonna zoom in.
I'm gonna show you.
Yeah, please. Yeah, come.
I can smell it. It's strong. That's why I said you don't even need salt.
That color is beautiful.
Woo! It's strong. It smells good.
I can smell it from here.
It's that new fancy short. I'm just gonna put a little sprinkle. You don't have to add salt, but I just want to show you. Look at this. Look at this.
I will come closer so they can see the blue light. They got to see.
That's it. Guys, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna mix this up. I'm gonna take a cup of our flour. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of cornstarch because the cornstarch is what makes your chicken crispy. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll be right back.
Chefettes, next up, you ready for this?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. Guys, this chicken, it's not even cooked. It smells damn good.
Yeah, I was sneezing.
He was sneezing. All right, so y'all saw what Chef Trini did. After he did that, we threw it in the refrigerator for about an hour. Let that just sit there for a little bit, marinate.
Yeah, buddy.
Let that marinate, all right? So now we took it out the refrigerator. He went cornstarch and flour, put it in a bowl. We got our ranch seasoning right here. We only have, 10 chicken wings in there, guys. So we have 1 ounce packet. I'm gonna put just half of it. So if you have more chicken, add the whole thing. So for about that, just 0.5 is good.
Yeah, buddy.
Before I mix it, I'm gonna show y'all. Set this aside. Let me show y'all this. Look. Y'all see that?
Mm-hmm. It looks good.
It looks good, right? And I'm gonna mix this around, and I'm gonna take the chicken wings, and I'm gonna coat every single chicken wing, each side, in this bad boy.
Yeah, buddy.
That smells good. No lie.
Yeah, buddy.
Chef and Chefettes.
Did you just you pull out a thong out your apron?
Professionals be doing stuff like that.
I forget you was a professional.
You forget.
Yep, I sure did.
And look at this. You see that, Chef Trini? You see how I did not dirty my finger?
You mean subscribers, did they see that? Not me. I know how to cook.
Oh yeah, you're right.
I was a professional.
But you ain't know about the pulling the tongue
Nah.
out the apron, right?
Yeah, I don't want to see what I got in my apron.
You don't want to see what you got in your apron, dog. We don't want to see. We don't want to see. You guys, if our new subscribers, I just want to give y'all a heads up. Chef Trini be acting up. He be acting up all the time.
Mm-hmm.
All the time.
Don't you know no good?
He know no good. Guys, look at this. Look how simple that is.
Oh yeah, I can smell it. It smells amazing.
Look at that. Look. See how beautiful that looks?
Yeah, buddy. Guys, if you want to use egg, you can coat it with eggs.
Absolutely.
Dip it in an egg wash, then roll it up in the ranch floured mixture.
Yep, it definitely can. And that's it, guys. Look, I'm going to do this to the rest of the chicken, and I'm going to show you how to fry it in that oil, guys.
Chefs and chefettes. Chef Sam coated these bad boys with our ranch flour mixture. Don't forget the cornstarch for crispiness. Our oil's heating up. What was that? What'd you say? You don't say. All right, he said he's ready for these wings.
I'm mad at Pop when you ask a question.
He was talking back.
I see that.
I have friends.
Totally.
Woo! You guys hear that? The oil is just...
That look good. I can see it from here.
The oil is just right. I'm gonna add these bad boys in. Nice golden brown color. That's what you want. Ooh, I can smell the ranch. Guys, try this recipe. Make sure y'all comment below if you try it. Alright? Spicy, smackalicious ranch chicken wings. It's a lot to say.
It is a lot of
But it's worth it. Ooh. Guys, so I'm gonna put all these bad boys in.
And this is quick. It's quick. This recipe is quick. Something you could do other than let it sit in and marinate. Easy peasy. Maybe 30 minutes.
Facts. Guys, let me give you a quick tip. If your oil is covering the chicken wings, you ain't even gotta flip it.
Facts.
If you're using a little bit of oil and only the bottom is submerged, then you have to flip your chicken wings. But you see how our wings are coated? Just maybe one or two sticking out. You don't have to flip it. Guys, so I'm gonna let this sit in here for maybe 10 minutes tops.
That's
Ooh, ladies and gentlemen.
done.
These spicy
Smackalicious
ranch chicken wings are done.
Say it all together.
Show them the damn chicken.
Spicy Smackalicious.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, I can't do it.
Forgot.
I did it. It is a tongue twister, guys.
It's a lot. Show them the moment you've been waiting for. Show them. Guys, look at these.
Look at that.
Get up closer. Zoom in. It looks amazing. It smells amazing. Mine. Guys. Woo.
I hope that was your thumbnail.
Oh, thumbnail. Thumbnail. One more. Thumbnail.
I like that one. That was mine. You mad? Same thing like putting your finger like this one right here is mine.
I don't want it.
This
Guys,
one's mine.
guys, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't lick the chicken. Ain't nobody.
Well, if you're gonna eat it, you can lick it.
I'm not eating that. Guys, make sure y'all like. Anything you want to say?
If you make it, let us know what you think of the recipe. Alright, guys?
If you give it a different name, drop it below.
Yes.
Drop it below.
Can they tag us? Tag us. Can you hashtag
No,
us?
we get the notification.
Oh,
We get the notification. So we're calling this Spicy Smackalicious Ranch Wings. If you come up with a better name than this,
Chicken ranch wings.
if you come up with a better name than that, drop it below. That's it, guys. And we are out.